Edison Mobile Estates, and we're getting delivery of a brand new 1-bedroom, 1-bath home. Here's the driver. Beautiful house. So he's gonna back it up for us today, right onto the lot. This is, we've done videos of the same size house in the past, and I posted that on the internet, but now the house is actually here, so now we can do new videos showing particularly this house, because this is really pretty. There's Mr. Dolan and Conception and Raul, and they're all on board helping out today. And he's gonna back it right up to where it belongs. This is probably the easiest job he's had in our community. This is super simple today. This is definitely what we like to say as tiny home living, because even though tiny homes are much smaller than this house, this is about as small as we can build and still be a HUD code home. A tiny home has to be approved by the town, and all our homes are approved by the federal government. Wow, he made that look so easy. Let's go check on the other side. Perfect location. Charming, charming little house. So let's take a look on the other side. It's got beautiful 2 front windows. And the cottage door and the front door. So again, by federal regulations, there has to be 2 doors. I had someone else the other day once again think that the back side was a house, a separate house. But it's not. I know, I gave that to him. Yeah, I saw that Ron's wearing our Dolan Homes shirt that I gave him last time he delivered a house. That's pretty cute. So this house was built in Ephrata, Pennsylvania, and people in Pennsylvania are salt of the earth. Wonderful, wonderful people. We've met the people who build these homes, our manufacturing facilities there, and our drivers from there, and it's just remarkable. Really wonderful people. It's really the American dream, built by the American people. And final construction is done by the Dolan Homes family, which is an American company in existence since 1954. We've been building manufactured homes. And as you'll see with the construction standard that Mr. Dolan upholds, we really make a firm foundation and give everybody a really quality modern home. Wait till you see this house. We're going to go in a little bit. So stay tuned for that video. We're inside the house, and this is awesome. This house we did for the first time ever, the new, oh my gosh, I'm forgetting what they call the new wood, this new panel, this new cabinetry. Canoe Birch, that's it. So, wow, the floor looks great with the countertop, and we're still able to do the New York subway tile. This is probably the last house, and we always add this little corner piece to make it more elegant. And you've got your microwave, your stove, and your refrigerator. This house does not have room for the dishwasher, so this would definitely be a house for washing dishes by hand, the old-fashioned way. So we did the crown molding at the top, and we made the cabinets go all the way to the top also. And here you see the house just arrived this second. We're actually still connected to the truck, or maybe he disengaged. Let's see. Yep, he's off. Hi, Mr. Dolan, how are you?
I'm good.
This is our first house with the Canoe Birch cabinetry. Isn't that nice?
Oh, it's beautiful. Right to the ceiling.
Yep, very nice. So you got the Miller furnace. And as you've seen in other videos, we've always have the doors connected so that it can handle traveling. So this has the step-in shower stall, makes it easy for our senior citizens. Beautiful little valances in all the windows. The framed out mirror. And again, you've got the Canoe Birch in here to match the kitchen. So when the house first arrives, the toilet tank, as you've seen in other videos, comes underneath here for safekeeping, and all of the cabinets are held together by rubber bands to give it a little give as it's going down the highway. So we'll go through and remove them and do all the work we have to do to get the house ready. So here's a great little view out the cottage door back door. And again, that's because of federal law requires that we have a door next to the bedroom for safety reasons. So here is room for a stackable washer and dryer, and the new homeowner will have to provide that. And this is the bedroom, and over here we have the hot water heater. So that's set in place there. And this is the closet. Oh, this is the new warranty form. We'll have to put this up. That Champion just was authorized as a, this is year 2 through year 7 warranty that you can buy very, very inexpensively to warranty your house for air conditioning, appliances, heating, electrical, structural, and plumbing. So Champion offers a warranty for year 1, and then this would be an additional warranty from year 2 through year 7, which is peace of mind. Very nice. And then here's the front light fixtures and some of the plumbing and heating things that need to be put up. So you've got your closet here. And this is a fabulous little room. So this is really a 1-bedroom for 1 person. I mean, occasionally we get a husband and wife who want to live in a room like this, which is very sweet and cozy, but we've got a lot of single people who are looking forward to having their own place rather than an apartment dwelling, and this just really fits the bill. I mean, it's absolutely charming. There's 1-car parking for this right in front, right where the truck is right now, and our office is right there. Our location is right on US Highway 1, and it's really 1 way in and 1 way out. But this house is Thermapane Windows and energy efficient appliances and fully insulated, up, down, around, all of it. Cable ready jack there, and we'll put in this paddle fan up there, and there's paint. We'll do that. So it's a very exciting day when a new house arrives, and we look forward to having people apply for this house. So to do that, you email info@Dolan Homes and let me know that you're interested in the house, the 1-bedroom house at Lot 4 in Edison Mobile Estates. And then we proceed from there. I'll have to put the price in the comments because I don't remember off the top of my head. All right, thanks for stopping in, and like and subscribe and hit the little bell and you'll get notifications every time we do a new video. Thanks again. Bye.